शादी के लिए हर कोई कभी न कभी ज्ञान का शगुन देता है.
Like my character in the film, Tia, she is rooted with her culture also. She has her culture rooted and she is also westernized. It's a mix of both. Now in Hodru, we won't forget our roots and we tend to adapt to whatever culture there is around us. So I guess the present Indian beauty is all about that.
It's like I do as you say, what it the other way. Coffees on Saturdays, breakups on Sundays. मेरी जान बढ़ेगा फासला, होकर जुदा फिर मिलेगा कोई नया. फिर मेरी जान बढ़ेगा फासला, होकर जुदा फिर मिलेगा कोई नया.
Hi, this is Sandesh Nayak, and I have written this film and directed this film. I have got this opportunity to do this. So, Love Shagun is a film. Normally, when you see the name, you will come across that one more love story coming, but it is somewhere beyond that. Because love is not only about girlfriend, boyfriend, and husband, wife. It is about kid and the father also, and mother and daughter also. Everyone, wherever we found the love, it is more about care nowadays. Nowadays it has been always. Love is about care and keeping things in our heart. So Love Shagun is about a film which is dealing with the youth today, who has come from the small towns and they are working in bigger towns like Bangalore, Mumbai. So the conflict, hello, it is gone here now. the conflict, the conflict of the youth today is whoever is working out there, because they have got their roots there in the village and the small towns, and they are staying in bigger towns. So they have spent half of their life there with the roots, जो हम परंपरा बोलते हैं, संस्कार बोलते हैं, ये वहाँ से आता है. And जो friendship है, जो career है, जो आगे की life है, it is gonna be there in big cities. So somehow they are in middle, because they can't leave that also, or they can't adopt fully this also. So this is the dilemma of the youth today. And our tagline is "Maa ki ya dil ki," is the meaning that only माँ is tradition, संस्कार और हमारी जड़ें, and the दिल is the heart, which we want to do, which we want to pursue. And in life there are certain things, certain situation comes when we are in a dilemma कि we see that or this. So how do we balance this? So this is about today's youth. Love Shagun is about today's youth.
अब ना तू जल्दी से शादी कर ले.
अगले महीने की 15 तारीख ठीक है सगाई के लिए.
और ग्रहों की दशा के हिसाब से तो अब तुम लड़कियों से घिरे रहोगे.
वो एक मटके से शादी करा दे तो
बस एक पत्नी की जरूरत होती है.
बेटा जैसा कहा वैसे पूजा करना.
That love is something which is predominantly present if you truly love something, and then luck is something which is bound to happen. Luck in Hindi we would call shagun in that way. So for any good thing, if you have true love and you actually work towards it, your luck will favor you. So that's what Love Shagun is about. A. B. Love Shagun is also about today's youth. The youth which has come from small towns, in big cities to make their life, like we all have. Like I have come down, for that matter, Nidhi has come from a place called Coot, and she has been doing her work in Bombay or in the Kannada industry also. But she has come to Bangalore, she has come down to Bombay, leaving her roots behind, leaving her house behind. But she is very much rooted, she is very much culturally rooted to her normal place, to her native place. So there are most of the youth in the metropolitan cities which you find are 80% of youth is that who have come from small towns to make their future and stuff. Whereas they get attracted to the westernized culture. We normally quote them as confused desis. We generally quote them as, but we want to say that this is the kind of a youth which exists in India, and we want to acknowledge that presence. That this youth is there, this youth is very much there. They also have their own conflicts, they also have their own confusions in life, And there is a kind of a youth which has emerged, and in key about these guys, there are certain conflicts which they go through, and the certain confusions, and to find their love, to find what they want to do. So the film is about that, and the kind of relationships which they develop in the dilemma of these two things. So we do not want to say that these are confused daisies. We want to say that these are the certain kind of, this is the kind of a youth which exists, which very much exists in India, and they are trying to find their life. They are trying to find the aim of their life. They are trying to find their love, and when they go ahead with that, so the shagun happens, the luck happens with them, and that's what the film is about.
अभी तेरी शादी होगी, फिर तेरी सुहाग रात, सुबह पेमेंट खत्म, तेरी पहली शादी खत्म।
आपकी ये इस बात ने ना मेरे दिल को टच किया कि आपने मेरे को टच नहीं किया करके।
पता है आज पापा शादी के लिए हॉल बुक करने गए।
देखिए क्या है कि हम आपको सिर्फ एक ही दिन के लिए लेकर आए थे।
अब ये मेरा हस्बैंड है ना।
पर ज्ञान के शगुन से ज्यादा जरूरी होता है लव का शगुन।
जेडी नाम है ना तुम्हारा?
ज्योतिरादित्य सूर्यकांत दुबे।
जेडी इज बेटर।
भूल के आज हूँ कौन मैं।
कुछ पल हैं यादों के, हंसी सौगात की सही।
ये लाइन तुम्हारी है?
नहीं जी, वो सैंडी की है।
I play Tia. Shall I keep this here? Tia is from, she lives in Goa. She's a very independent girl. She runs her own boutique. Again, like he said, she has her values in place, but she's a party girl. She goes out, she's strong, she's independent. She goes out on parties alone. Like she has a lot of courage in her, and she's a happy-go-lucky, fun girl, but who's also rooted. That's Tia.
I like desi food, and she wants a Subway. I like desi food, she wants a Subway. If I say I love you, वो बोल देगी हट रे। फिर मेरी जान बढ़ेगा फासला, होकर जुदा फिर मिलेगा कोई नया। फिर मेरी जान बढ़ेगा फासला, होकर जुदा फिर मिलेगा कोई नया।
इश्क होने को तो हो जाता है, पर पूरी लाइफ एक पल में तो बदलती नहीं। होश खोने को तो खो जाता है, चांद तारे तोड़ने के वादों से संभलता नहीं।
सिंपल से थे हम ये कहाँ पे लटके, आसमां से गिर के खजूर में अटके। मेरी जान बढ़ेगा फासला, होकर जुदा फिर मिलेगा कोई नया। फिर मेरी जान बढ़ेगा फासला, होकर जुदा फिर मिलेगा कोई नया। फिर मिलेगा कोई नया।
Hello everyone. I'm Anuj Sachdeva. I have worked in Hawa Hawaii last time, and it was more of a supporting role because it was one of the films where Abol Gupta has made the film on kids. So I really wanted to work in a good script at that time. This is my debut as a main guy in the film, but yeah, I've done the debut already in a way.
From small screen to big screen.
No, a big screen I'm talking. Hawa Hawaii was last year's film. Yeah. So now as a main protagonist, the story has been revolving around him. This guy his actual name is Jyotiraditya Suryakant Dubey. But since it sounds pretty awkward to listen to such a name, so we have named him as JD. That's his name. So it sounds like JD, not Jack Daniel, but a guy who doesn't drink in the movie. Ironically, he has the maximum scenes where he's drunk. So he doesn't want to drink, but in the situation he gets drunk. Like easy way to get drunk. So this guy, he's a simple-hearted guy, full of his heart. Always talking through his heart to people. Simple guy who's again, I would say, it's basically a story. The niche I'll say, JD is a guy who has come from a native house again. We are together. We are like 4 friends who are living together in Goa, doing our own perspective, our own jobs, and quite different in the flavor, but giving the space to each other, and there's a bond of friendship which is there. At the same time, there's a situation where this guy is a strong believer in. He believes a lot in astrology. And it has been inherited from mother, because mother has been always caring for their child all the time. Since he's away from his own native place, so you know how a mother would always give you rings for your health, for your work, and caring. So that's how he believes in it. And how in situation where he has to find a woman to get married to, and at the same time he gets stuck in between where the logic of what Vikram just mentioned about the people and the youth, how it is most of the people have been there in the very thin line where you, even if you adapt a Western culture, where we actually adapted, we wear such clothes and everything, but somewhere you're still rooted to your own place. You might like if I say I'm from Delhi, I moved to Bombay 6 years back, but I still would love to eat dal and roti or maybe paratha. So end of the day, that would be my taste. So it's just a very small gesture. I'm just trying to get you on that small note. Somewhere we still rooted to our own places. Our own taste is going to be that. So it's about it shows that prospect what he just mentioned about.
गर्लफ्रेंड किसी और की, फोन में डिस्प्ले पिक्चर भी किसी और की. तुम्हारा है क्या?
फोन है ना, कल का दिन ही खराब था, सब खत्म हो गया. मुझे उससे नहीं मिला. वो तो हिटलर की अम्मा निकली.
मैं प्यार की पुजारी, मुझे प्यार चाहिए.
तू खीर पे फोकस कर.
अबे गुच्छा टूट रहा है लड़कियों के तेरे पे, गुच्छा.
माँ की सोचूं या मैं दिल की सोचूं. पंडित जी ने कहा है कि शॉर्टकट से काम नहीं चलेगा.
सुन, एक काम करते हैं, तलाक के लिए लड़की ढूंढते हैं.
There are 4 friends who stay in
He's a henpecked boyfriend. He has a very zabardast girlfriend.
it's a real life role basically.
हाँ मैं आराम से बनते नान मने बनता है तेरी.
So it's like there are 4 friends who stay in a single bungalow in Goa on a beach side, and this bungalow is owned by one of the friends' uncle. So we all stay in one of the bungalows there, and we all have been school friends, and we have come down to this place. Somehow we have made ourselves to end up at Goa so that we all can stay together, we all can enjoy life in a better way. So that is what the basic perspective has been, and to go away from the native places and find our own spaces, find our own world in that way. But the basic conflict of the film starts from JD, that is
Jyotiraditya Suryakant Dubey.
JD, it's better to call me JD.
That's why we call him JD.
After he meets Tia.
Yes,
It starts with JD.
Exactly.
Yeah.
The conflict starts with JD, and after that he meets Tia. The conflict gets more conflictual. I would say that. So, and to make it further more conflictual, we are there to make the matters worse. So we are just spoiling the matter. We are just making the script go haywire. That's what my role is in the film is. And as I'm trying, that's what my job has been. My director has given that job to me, to make the script as confusing as I can. And after that, so that he sorts it out with his
whatever he has got with that.
Talk about your girlfriend.
Yes, and plus, if I talk specifically about me, I'm a guy from Delhi in the film who speaks Punjabi. I have a girlfriend who is from Chandigarh, who has been working in who has been working in Delhi. We both are bankers. I work in a Sarkari bank, in a government bank, and she works in a private bank. And she is somebody who is very dominating. And I don't want to lose her because I think that I cannot get a much prettier girl than her. but I don't want to be with her because she's so dominating that whenever
She's
she
very
comes, everything goes haywire in the house. Everything has to be disciplined in a proper way. ये नहीं हो सकता, वो नहीं हो सकता. ये तुम्हारे दोस्त ने, why this friend said this thing to you? Why are you wearing these kinds of clothes? I can't even style my hair because of that. And so whenever she comes, in fact, in the film, you will find me putting my hair down whenever she is there, and whenever she is gone, I put my hair up. So
रियल लाइफ वालों ही के नहीं हो.
Pretty much like your role in Sumit Sambalega.
no, it was very unlike that. Very unlike that.
यहाँ पे संभाल नहीं पाता.
Can I hear my party people holla, yeah, yeah. Everybody in the party holla, all my people in the party holla, yeah, yeah. Everybody in the party holla, all my party animals. You know what time it is? It's the time to hit the club, getting drunk up in the pub. Say my party animals. You know what time it is? It's the time to hit the club, getting drunk up in the pub. Say what?
ये भूल के आज हूँ कौन मैं, मैं आ गई ऐश के जोर में, पीने की जल्दबाजी में जाने क्या पी लिया, आने लगी है हिचकी बेहिचकियाँ, 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 हिचकियाँ, हिचकियाँ.
There's a dinner sequence and all the friends have to interact with each other. We're sitting, talking. Director gave us an instruction that talk to each other. So we're sitting now talking, and he's just not saying cut. I don't know what to say. I looked at him and said, "Gana gao, gana ga ke gao." Finally, we just turned to see, and he's not there. He got up and left.
Yeah. This was one sequence. Masti. They were all laughing and all, and we were doing the scene. And after that, the scene was rolling. Cameraman was off the camera.
So long.
I was not there.
And we are
They were
still
performing, and half the unit was left.
We were actually, we did not know what to do.
We have done a lot of pranks.
गाना गा के दिखाओ. तारण को बोल रही पंजाबी गाना गा के दिखाओ.
There's a lot of fun
What has
here.
happened to her?
So entire filmmaking was a fun ride, basically.
Yeah,
We
it
were
was.
laughing. Day night we were shooting, and we were laughing and laughing.
भी हो किसी भी ऐसी की तैसी दुनिया की, कर करूँ ये जिसको मर्जी मेरी, उल्टी भी हो किसी भी ऐसी की तैसी दुनिया की, कर करूँ ये जिसको मर्जी मेरी.
Whatever the characters are, those are my friends. So I have collected it and written it,
And Tia
somehow
is
it
his
became
wife.
good. But Tia, actually, the right story is the base. At this point is correct. The not entire story is based upon me,
Tia
but
is
the
his
Tia
wife.
is my wife because I am very JD kind of a guy. Sandesh Nayak, नाम छोटा था तो हमने पूरा रहने दिया, otherwise it could be ऐसा ना हो सकता था. So I was the kind of guy who used to do meditation, puja, paat, अंगूठियाँ, rings. अभी भी आ गया. And the girl I met, she was total party girl. One day she is in Mauritius, then Singapore, then somewhere. So when we met, तो मैंने कहा ठीक है, देखते हैं. It was not a good combination to have that. And from today's youth, as I was talking about, whenever we feel like getting into the relationship or getting into the marriage thing, we have got some forms to fill. We have got some questionnaires. Okay, this is like this. She will take care of my mom. She will be like this. Okay, if she will be my friends, how will she support?
What were your expectations?
These were the expectations that she should be. I am as an actor. I was working in Mumbai, so she can handle this also, which I am doing. Then if I go to my home, native place Bhopal, then वहाँ पे ऐसा है कि सर भी ढकना पड़ सकता है, and होता है. So that conflict was there. So when we started, we were not thinking we'll get married or something. So I was looking for that character. Then we found him. Then we worked upon the characters, and so it was a repetition ki boss. He's been a lover boy. He's a model kind of a guy. He is doing lover boy image with Anushka Sharma, then Deepika Padukone and some. So how do you make him like this? Because it's a very thin line. We don't want him to be a caricaturist also. It was very thin line to be real. Then finally he worked upon it and it was good. So finally I got it down and he proved me correct. And then I was looking for a girl who is very westernized, has an Indian face.
Weird short skirts.
South Indian.
Yeah. Indian face comes to the. This beauty can go to the Calcutta, Bengal also. This.
I play
sort of
Bengali in
a-
this film. Bengali.
So these kind of things which were real. So casting was about this only. So I wanted. I've seen her. Then I have got suggestions that her name was there. Then
Finally, she
we
said-
jotted down. Then finally the challenge started. She got sick also in the beginning of the film.
Yeah, I
The
got
film-
chicken pox.
Chicken pox. No.
Definitely not.
So now there was a thing he was. Now we are shooting after 15 days and whether she'll be shooting or not, we didn't know. And we thought, as an actor, I have also seen this key, people get replaced and everything. So that actor was pulling me back. No, we should stay back.
In
Let's
fact,
see.
when you get chicken pox, you need 21 or 22 days of rest. And they'd started shoot in 8 days. And I was supposed to be on set on the 8th day. So I told them that I was bad, fully covered with chicken pox and everything. So I told them that if I can't come, I'll need at least 15 days of rest. If you want to go ahead with someone else, please go ahead and all of that. But by then I think we'd already done a few workshops
Correct,
also.
correct.
We'd already discussed the character and I had become Tia. So I guess it was meant for me.
It was like this only. So we said, okay, we'll shoot
Yeah.
this part this way.
So in 15 days I went with the chicken pox scars. Makeup.
Again, that love Shagun thing
Makeup.
is this. When you,
Again, exactly.
when
you actually wish for something with truth in your heart and you want somebody to actually go ahead for that.
and after the chicken pox, there were no marks.
Yeah, actually there was no marks.
There were no marks. That's it.
So,
Marks say no marks.
oh.